Back to my channel, and in this video we are going to see the tree traversal. Let's see what is traversal definition. Traversal is nothing but process of visiting or accessing each node of a tree exactly once in a specific order. See, these are the nodes, separate nodes, and traveling them according to particular order is nothing but traversal. There are basically three types of traversals. One is in-order traversal, second is pre-order, and last one is post-order. In order, the name itself says it's going in an order. So this is how you go in an order. So first the left, next the root, and next the right. Coming to pre-order. Pre-order says pre is nothing but before, it comes before. So root element would come before left and right. So that's the reason root has come before left and right. Post order is nothing but it comes at the end. So that's the reason first left, right, and then in the last we are having root. Now let's see what are the different types of questions asked based on this tree traversal and how do we solve this. So let's get started. The first question says find in-order, pre-order and post-order traversal of the following tree. So this is our tree and he is asking us to find in-order, pre-order and post-order. So let's find in-order first. What is in-order? It is nothing but left, root and right. So let's find the order. Coming to the left part. So see, we know that 1 is the root element. What is the left part of 1? This complete thing comes under the left part. Okay. So in this left, you just directly can't write the elements. So you will again follow the order of left, root, right. So here, this would be the root, this is the left and this is the right. So you write it in the same order. See, now you need to write the left element. But there are 3 elements in left, but you can't write them in your order, right? So what you do, you again follow this order for left also. So in left, let's first write the left part, okay? This is the left part. In left part, we follow the same order, left, root and right. So we write it as 4, 2 and 5. This is the left part. Now we come to the root part. Root part is obviously 1. So there would be 1. Now to write the right side part. Right side also we are having 3 elements. So we will again follow the left root right rule. So left is 6, root is 3 and 7 is the right. So let's write it. Left is 6, root is 3 and the right is 7. So this is how you write the order. So now the total order would become 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 3, 7. So this is the in order traversal of the following tree. Now coming to the pre-order. What is pre-order? Pre is nothing but root would come at the first. So it is root, left and right. See, as I have said here, root, left, right. So now what we do? We will first write the root part. Okay. So the root part would be what? It is obviously 1. So the root part is 1. This is the root part. Now we will come to the left part. See, again left side we are having 3 elements. But what is the order we need to follow for writing? It is root, left and right. So now what is root? 2. So in the left part, we will again follow the pre-order traversal order. because we are having more than one element, so we just directly can't write it. So we'll follow the same order. So root is 2, left is 4 and right is 5. Root left is done and let's write the right part. In the right part again what you do? Root, left and right. So now root is 3 and left is 6 and right is 7. So the pre-order traversal for the following is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6 and 7. Now coming to post order. Okay. Post order is nothing but the root would come at the end. So left, right and root. Okay. Now let's write the left part over here. For writing the left part, see, when you compare it, this is the root. 1 is obviously the root. The left part is having more than one element. So you will again follow this rule to write the left part. That is left, right and root. So the left part is 4. Right part is 5. And the root is 2. We are done with the left part. This part is done. Now coming to right part. Right side also we are having more than one element. So what do? We'll again follow the same rule. Left, right and root. So left is 6, right is 7 and root is 3. Now we'll write the root part. Root is obviously 1, so it is 1. So what is the post order? It is 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 3, 1. So here you need to remember one thing. Whenever you are writing any part and if it is having more than one element, you just simply have to follow this rule. That's it. And you'll get your final answer. If you want to check it again, then you can draw the tree diagram again. If it matches, then your order is correct. Okay. Now coming to the second type of question, that is using the following traversal orders, construct a tree. So here he has given us two types of orders and he is asking us to construct a tree based on this. So what is in order basically? It is left, root and right. What is pre-order? Pre-order is nothing but root will come before. Root, left and right. Okay. So from this we can clearly see that root is coming first in the pre-order. So we can directly say that A is the root element. So we will write A as the root. We have found the root. So now if in order, if you place this root part, the left part is this and right part is this according to the in order rule. If you find out that this is the root, then this part is obviously the left and this is obviously the right part. Okay. See, now in the left we know that it is having DBE, in the right we are having FC. Now again coming to pre-order, search DBE. See, this is the thing. Now from this 3, we know that this is the left part, right? And this is the right part. Okay. Now from this we can easily tell that the root part is the B because it will obviously follow root left right. So root is B. So in the left, since this is the left part, in the left root is B. And what we are left over with? We are left over with D and E. Now in the right side, we are having FC. Okay. In FC, what is the root? It is obviously C. So C is the root. And what is left over? C. Now here there is one rule, that is from the pre-order or post-order. You just have to find the root element. Okay. you'll just use this to find the root element. The other help, like the elements, would they be at the left or will they be at the right? That is decided by the in order. You'll check only the root from the pre-order or the post-order, whichever you'll get, and you will decide whether it is in the left or right by in order. Okay, so left right is decided by in order. Only the root is decided by the pre-order. So don't forget this. This is very important. So coming to C, we have got that from pre-order C is the root element. Now coming to the in order, if you have found that this is the root, what is the left side of root in order? It is obviously the left part. So it says that F lies left to C. Now coming to the left part of A. Since we have found that B is the root, so let's mark it in the in order. We have marked it. So how the in order traverses left, root and right. So this part would be the left and this part would be the right. So now if we mark the diagram, then the left part would be D and the right part would be E. Okay, is it clear? Now if you want to check whether this diagram is correct or not, just write the in order traversal of the following diagram. Okay, in order or pre-order, whichever is okay for you, you can write that, because you are having both the orders of the tree over here. If you get the same in the answer and same as the question, then that's your answer. So coming to in order is nothing but left, root and right. So the left part, first let's find out root. Root is A. Okay, so let's write the left part now. This is the left part of root. So to write this, we can't directly write it because there are more than one element. So what do? We follow the same order, left, root and right. So let's write the left part here. Left part is left, root, right. So left is D and root is B and right is E. Now we have to write the root part. Root part is nothing but A. So we'll write the root part as A. Now we are left over with right part. Since we are having more than one element in the right, we'll have to follow the same order again, left, root and right. Here we are having left, root, but there is no right. So you don't have to write any right element. So left is F and root is C. There is no right element. Now check your in order traversal order with the question. It is D, B, E, A, F, C. It has matched. So your tree diagram is correct. So this is how you solve traversal problems, and it's very easy. Like you can construct a tree as well as you can create your orders. So that's it for the video. Hope this is helpful. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and comment your opinions below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.